Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Instead of saying the same name or thing over and over, we use pronouns to make our sentences easier and more fun to say. Common pronouns are I, when talking about yourself; you, when talking to someone; he, for a boy; she, for a girl; it, for a thing or animal; we, for a group including yourself; they, for a group of others. Instead of saying, Ollie is kind, Ollie helps others, we say, Ollie is kind, he helps others. Instead of, Sarah likes art, Sarah paints every day, we say, Sarah likes art, she paints every day.